Hi everybody, it's Patty from Block Party Studios. I hope all of you have been enjoying putting together your 2018 Block of the Month and sweet treats, and hopefully you've been able to keep up. I hope that you've had fun. I hear some grumbles about those pesky half triangles, so I'm going to go over that again with you today so that you can refresh your memory, because you have to cut several of them this time. There's two ways to do it. The first way is to trace the pattern that's in the book and make a template. And that template can be made out of plastic, it could be made out of cardboard. It's kind of like back in the old days when we traced everything. That's what you're going to do here. The other way you can do it is to take your ruler and tape it off. And we're going to tape it off on the black line that says 2.5 inch hexie. And then we're going to make a right angle and come straight up. And you can lay it on your pattern book, and that will help you. If you have the other ruler, then you're not having any issues. So I'm going to show you both ways how to cut this. As I played around with it, I've discovered if you put your strip right side or wrong sides together, and you put your template down and cut on the angle, that will give you your two mirror half triangles. You need them to be mirror. You don't want them to be all going the same direction, and they won't work in the quilt. You can also then lay this back on top of there, that direction, and you're going to get the next set that you need. Be careful, this isn't as heavy as your regular rulers are. But there we go. Now we have 4, 2 lefts and 2 rights. The other way to do it is to use your ruler, your hex and more ruler, and again, take and put your fabrics wrong sides together, and then you're going to put this straight line here on the edge. Make sure they're lined up. And again, you're going to cut. If you want to, go ahead and cut that little ear off. Then to make, and there you go, there's your left and right. And then to do the other direction, you're going to turn. Yeah, that doesn't work, but that gives you the idea of what you're supposed to do. I think if you keep going, you're going to waste some fabric. If you keep going like this, then you're going to have the next triangle that you need. And then take and use your square. Square that part off, and there again you have your 2 half triangles. Personally, I would use the template one. It's easier. You can see what you're doing, and that's just my opinion. So good luck with these half triangles. I think you'll like how they come out. I think this is not the one you're going to make, but this is like what you're doing. You're putting 2 of them together to make that triangle, but see how the star appears now. You would do that if you didn't have that on there. So oh, I wanted to also tell you that you have 2 8.5 inch strips in your kit, and you're going to make 8.5 inch triangles. That means you're going to use the dotted line, and you're going to cut these big triangles. You're going to use those for some of your background pieces, and so that's what you'll use those for. Again, have a good time, and it's good talking to you again. Thanks. Bye.